friends, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you my weekly reset routine. My weekly reset routine is so essential for me because I am working, I am a student and I am working multiple jobs, so I have like really limited time. I am a married person. I want to enjoy my time with my husband. I want to spend my time with him, and also I am a very social person, so I want to have a social life as well and enjoy the nice long summer days, right? Like, because we love summer. To be honest, I love summer. Okay, I don't know about you, but I love summer. Yeah. So, but in order to do that and to have the mind, like to have the free mind and to have the time and to have the energy to do all of these things during the week, I spend just a few hours actually on Saturday and on Sunday in the morning and like plan ahead, clean the apartment, organize stuff, work a little bit, and also like do some uni related stuff on the weekend so that I can really enjoy the time during the week. So let's start with this video, and I hope that you can get inspired and also implement this in your daily life. And yeah, it's not so hard, to be honest. Like, I always thought, oh my god, like you have to deep clean everything and you have to do so many things and it's just a waste of time, blah blah blah. Like, finding excuses is super easy, as you know, as we all know. But to be honest, it just made my life so much more easier this way than like doing everything at the same time, you know what I mean? So let's start with the video, and yeah. Right now I am planning for the week ahead. I'm using Google Calendar, and also I have a physical calendar here. This is, I don't know, it's actually unnecessary to buy a physical calendar every single year, but I am obsessed with that. And if this obsession makes me happy and increases my productivity and just makes me enjoy life even more, then I am fully in it. I'm going to spend that money on these things. So yeah, here now I am planning the upcoming week, and I have to say, I have, like, this is so important because usually I am always doing a monthly reset and like preparing for the upcoming month, right? And like some things just don't change yet, like your work hours or other things like gym or things that are actually in your routine. But certain things always change. You make an appointment, but then someone changes your appointment, or you have to change the appointment, or something happens and you don't finish a certain task in a certain period of time, so you have to change that, and that's totally fine. So now I am just going to check with that, and I'm going to make sure that I actually that I can reschedule that, you know what I mean? So like I can book and I can write emails and I can text these people that I am going to have an appointment with. So yeah, that's about it.